Which country are you from?
From England.
You are a native?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or what kind of company are you in?
So I am a director of a software company.
Software.
So we do ERP software for engineering and manufacturing companies.
So you are going into such as the Python or?
Well, we're an independent vendor, so it's all of our own software. We write our own software. We have a software system. One of our key industries is the plastics industry. So we look after probably around about 150 injection molders, rotational molders, or plastic machining companies, as well as packaging and other companies.
Yeah, that's cool. So do your company have any like Chinese suppliers or Chinese customers?
Not currently. We do have two companies who are based in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong?
Yes. We traditionally, 95% of our customer base is UK.
Nice.
But we do have customers internationally in the US, in a few across Europe, and as I say, a couple in Singapore, Hong Kong as well.
So the American companies not often come to your company for cooperation? Or?
We potentially are looking to branch out in terms of having resellers who potentially could work in different markets internationally, but not currently.
Oh, okay.